Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is School Management. It's a semester 2 B.Ed Punjab University book and it's also in Punjabi medium. So let's review this book. It's a bestseller book. As per their previous books were also Vinod Publications. So let's review this book. First of all, let's check the syllabus. It's as per the new syllabus, and the unit wise it's mentioned, like unit 1 school as an organization, meaning, objectives, principle of our school organization. Then unit 2 essential facts of school organization. Then unit 3 quality enhancement and management of school. Then unit 4 recent trends in school management. That's how syllabus is given. And in syllabus also the topics are explained in Punjabi, but also it's written in English also, so that any reader who finds it comfortable in English also will easily read the topics. Now another thing, after giving the 4 units, the contents are also given. And contents are given as the syllabus only. The way the syllabus was, the contents are also in the same way, and contents cover everything which the syllabus had. For example, like in contents, unit 1 school as an organization, meaning, objective and principle, and in syllabus also the same thing is written. Syllabus, school as an organization, meaning, objective and principle. So you can check afterwards also. For example, in unit 2 school timetable, importance, types and principle of timetable, and then co-curricular activities. In contents also, in unit 2 school timetable, co-curricular activities, importance and types of timetable, it is there. So afterwards also, of course, there are so many things, like in unit 3 leadership concept, need and development, and in there also leadership concept. So afterwards also is there, till it is till unit last. Contents are till unit 4. You can check easily, and it's cover everything which was there in syllabus. Now the another thing which you have to check is, does the page numbers which are given in front of the contents, does this page number actually match the topics of the contents or not? If I go to page number 236, for example, will I get importance of biodramatic attendance as it is written on this topic and content list? Will I get it or not? Let's check. Suppose I'll go to now page 236. Like this. So this is concept of biometric attendance system. You will definitely get it. So it also clarifies that this book not only has everything in the contents which was there in syllabus, it has everything which was there in syllabus, but it also has the page numbers given right. For example, let me check one more also from the first units. For example, in unit 1, you can check this principle of school organization, 21 page. Let's go to 21 page, and let's find the principles. See, page number 21, principle of school organization, you will find it. For example, in unit 2, you can find principle of organizing co-curricular, 189. Let's check which page will 189 will I find it or not. So go to page 189 and see principle of organizing curricular activities, page 189. So page numbers are also very clear, contents are also very clear, very easily explained. Each topic is discussed in detail, and very well explained, and every topic is written in English also, so that reader find it easy to understand. It's a very good book from my side. In the last page of the book, the other books of the B.Ed Punjab University semester 2 books are also mentioned. You can check them out, and this book is only for rupees 199.50 rupees only. So I think you should definitely buy this book. It's very reasonable cost. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can call them directly also on their number 9218 and they will deliver the books to your location in just 3-4 days time. You can also email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. Visit their website also, www.vinodpublications.com, and check out other books. Go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other books also. You can also helpline number is also given, so that if you have any complaint regarding the book, you can contact them at help@vinodpublications.com. I think it's a definitely highly recommendable book at very reasonable price. You can buy it online, and if you don't want to buy it online, you can purchase it at any bookstore nearby your location or your house, and buy this book, which has B.Ed books. Whichever bookshop has weird books will have this book also, and all these books also, or any Vinod publication book also for that concern. I think this is a great book by Vinod Publications, and this school management book of semester 2 of 199.50 rupees only, B.Ed Punjab University bestseller book. I think I highly recommend it. Must buy this book, and it's an awesome book. Thank you.